in Mount Holly, New Jersey, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Sussex County in northwestern New Jersey, Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, central Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 7 p.m. At 6:10 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Skidtop to Old Orchard, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Intact, damaged roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Easton, Newton, Montague, Mount Pocono, Bethlehem, Forks, East Stroudsburg, Wilson, Washington, Blairstown, Hellertown, Nazareth, Bangor, Penn Argyl, Wind Gap, Belvidere, Harmony, Oxford, Alpha, and Hope. This includes the following highways: Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 68 and 76. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 5. Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 300 and 314. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 21. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Sussex and Warren, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Bucks, Monroe, and Northampton.